welcome back with topic bonding in metal nitrosyls. We have completed metal carbonyl bonding and now here is metal nitrosyls. So let's talk about what is nitrosyl and in how many ways it does bonding. So students, in nitrosyls we have NO group. When any metal atom is directly attached to this nitrogen atom of NO group, then it forms metal nitrosyls. Like when any metal atom is connected with nitrogen atom of this NO group, then they form metal nitrosyl complexes. So students, nitrosyl is an 4 electron molecule, that 7 electron of nitrogen and 8 electron of oxygen, and total is 15 electron here. In our previous video we discussed bonding in carbonyl groups and it has 14 electron. So here difference of only 1 electron, so that's why the bonding in metal nitrosyl is somewhat similar to bonding in carbonyl groups. When this nitrosyl group lose 1 electron, so it becomes 14 electron and act as NO positive, and when it gains 1 electron, then it becomes NO negative. So students, NO ligand donate electron pair to central metal atom to form coordinate or dative bond. So what is in bonding of metal nitrosyls? That this nitrosyl group act as ligand. We all know that NO is a ligand. So this ligand donate electron pair to central metal atom attached to it and form coordinate bond between metal and nitrogen. So what are their binding modes? It has 2 binding modes. It form linear binding with NO positive and bent binding in NO negative. So students, NO yani metal nitrosyls have 2 binding modes, that it take place in bonding in 2 ways, as NO positive and as NO negative. If we are talking about their bond order, then bond order of NO is 2.5 and NO positive is 3, NO negative is 2. So bond order of NO positive is higher than NO and bond order of NO negative is less than NO. As NO positive and CO have 14 electron, so their bonding between them is somewhat similar. So let's talk about the bonding in metal nitrosyls, that in what factors affect the bonding in these 2 molecules of nitrosyls. So now, as we have 2 binding modes in NO, one as NO positive and second is NO negative. So let's discuss these 2 type of bondings. So first of all, we have NO group. In this NO group we have 1 single electron and 1 lone pair of electron. So now let's come on linear and bent bonding. In bent bonding, as NO negative, it donate only 1 electron to metal atom and form single bond here. Donates only 1 electron to metal atom and form single bond. So hybridization in this case is sp2 hybridized. So what's the conclusion from this? That NO negative form bent bonding, have sp2 hybridization and donate 1 electron. Okay, in this ligand NO donate only 1 electron to metal atom. But if we talk about NO positive linear bonding, then in this bonding we have 1 single electron of NO and 1 lone pair of electron. So first of all, this lone pair of electrons of NO donate to empty d sigma of metal and form sigma bond. Okay, this lone pair donate to metal d sigma orbital and form sigma bond yani single bond, and after that this pi star orbital of NO having single electron give Mn pi bond after donating its electron to Md pi orbital. So in this way it have double bond between M and NO, and we call it as linear bonding. So it is linear, so that's why hybridization is sp in the case of NO positive. So About NO positive, what are the important things? That NO positive has linear bonding, it have sp hybridization, and it donates 3 electrons as ligand to metal atom. Okay, so very simple, these two bondings are that NO act as two binding modes as NO negative and NO positive. In NO positive it show linear bonding, and in NO negative it show band bonding. So it has sp2 hybridization and it has sp hybridization. And only one is main very important thing in this, that NO negative donate 1 electron and it donate 3 electrons. So in any complex, if we have to detect that the NO have band and or linear bonding, then we must have to calculate their electrons. So the number of electrons needed help us to find out that the NO is band or linear. So in any complex, if we have 17 electron fragment, it is electron rich. It means it need only 1 electron to complete its 18 electron rule. So students, we know NO negative donate 1 electron. So here NO nitrosyl group is in bent bonding and it donates 1 electron and completes its 18 electron. And if in any complex we have 15 electron fragment, so it is electron poor and it needs 3 more electrons to become 18 electron. So here our NO is linear because it donates 3 electron and it needs out 3 electrons. So students, one example to clear your concept.